Jam-packed Jason. Once again, shop day today. We are going to weld a bracket on our stick to support a hydraulic ram for a shear attachment, a log shear attachment. This is the bracket. We got the expert Fred on the way, and we will see. Just got done welding her up. What we did 70 1/4 from center of this pin to center of the main pin that goes in the bottom of the stick. Then we got a hydraulic ram. We got to hook up our lines, fittings, all that fun stuff. I'm gonna slap some paint because my brand new machine doesn't look so brand new right now, but that's okay. You don't want it to rust, look like shit, but really not all bad. Go over here. There's our ram. I have yet to have the hoses made, but I will show you guys the end result. I got a job coming up next week, so it'll probably be another week before I finish. I'm just gonna put my clam back on and go finish this job, but that's pretty much it. Jam-packed Jason getting her done. See ya.